Welcome to Sankalp Strategy Academy. Do subscribe to my channel. Today we are covering the Hindu dated the 14th of April 2026 and telling you what to read and what to skip for UPSC aspirants. These are the must-read articles especially for economy, banking and agriculture. If you are reading the Hindu dated the 14th of April 2026, then don't waste time reading everything. I'll tell you the most important economy articles for UPSC. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. First article was retail inflation inches up to 3.4% in March. You can read it from page numbers 3 and 12. Subject relevance, economy, banking, inflation. Why important? India's retail inflation rose to 3.4% mainly due to food prices. Important for CPI inflation, RBI monetary policy, repo rate decisions and banking awareness. Very important for GS Paper 3, prelims and banking exams. Next article was IMD's April forecast projects monsoon to be below normal for first time in 11 years. You can read it from page numbers 3 and 12. Subject relevance, economy, agriculture, geography. Why important? Below normal monsoon may affect kharif crops, rural demand and food production. It can also increase inflation and pressure the economy. Very important for GS Paper 1 and GS Paper 3. Next article was LIC board approves 1:1 bonus share issue. You can read it from page number 15. Subject relevance, economy, banking, capital market. Why important? LIC approved 1 bonus share for each existing share. Important for stock market basics, bonus shares, PSU reforms and investor awareness. Important for prelims and banking exams. Next article was World Bank chief cautions on jobs crisis even after war ends. You can read it from page number 15. Subject relevance, economy, international economy. Why important? World Bank President Ajay Banga warned about global employment shortage. Important for unemployment trends, post-war recovery and global economic slowdown. Very important for GS Paper 3 and Essay. Next article was why these topics matter together. You should read all 4 topics together. Subject relevance, economy, agriculture, banking. Why important? Inflation affects RBI policy. Monsoon affects agriculture and food prices. Stock market news builds financial awareness. Global jobs crisis impacts growth and trade. Important for UPSC integrated preparation. What to skip today? Skip routine company statements, political comments and non-economic reactions. Focus only on data, reports, forecasts and policy impact. Quick revision keywords. CPI inflation, RBI, repo rate, monsoon forecast, El Niño, LIC bonus share, World Bank, unemployment. If you want daily The Hindu UPSC filtering, subscribe now to